off to the US. So when I get back, everything will be in Spain. So that's pretty good. I mean, isn't this just a wonderful feeling? And it's 29 degrees, guys. 29 degrees centigrade. So it's nice and warm. There's nowhere really in Ingolstadt that you can take a bike off-road properly. There's very, very few places around here that you can. So most of the 1250s that are purchased are actually just bought for road use. I'd say about 95% of all bikes are just done for road use. Keep on forgetting that savage shut when the helmet slams down, but there's a nice breeze coming in through the top, so that's not too bad. Hill hold, of course. And I have to be careful because this bike will wheelie every chance I give it. beat it, can you? You hear people going, "Oh, I'm going out for a drive." You just can't really, or Ferrari Dino, you just can't really enjoy four wheels in the same way. Yeah, let's head up here. I think a lot of people mistake adventure bikes because they don't use them in the way that they should be used. That's my feeling anyway. More people tend to use them as a touring bike as they do, instead of being well, an adventure, an off-roader. Because at the end of the day, the off-road that's exactly what it's meant to be. So with some good knobbly tyres, gravel like this is never an issue. These are road tyres that are on here at the minute, so they're not really the best thing for doing this. But I just wanted to give you a small feel of what this type of road is. And we should have more off-road experience than we do for anything else. Now, I'm not allowed, I don't think I'm allowed to go down that way. Nope, it's a football field. But hey, again, you get to see the bike on the grass. So you can stand up and enjoy it. This is around the lake. I'm not allowed to take anything around the lake, so that's unfortunate. Dynamic traction control is turned off at the moment. So you can get a little bit of rear wheel drift as well when you need to, if you're so inclined. And I would really like to, but I don't think there's anywhere around here that I can hit any off-roads. I'll have to show you that when I'm in Spain. So guys, catch you later.